Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Root Beer here, looking at question number 7 on our 2010 Cayley Math Contest. What have we got? The mean, or average, of 5 consecutive integers is 9. What's the smallest of these 5 integers? Now, there's a nice little trick when it comes to having an odd number of consecutive integers being averaged, in that the number that you would get as the average is always the middle of these odd consecutive numbers. And if you know that, and I'm not saying you had to know that, I'll show you how to do the question with just a little bit of algebra, some very quick algebra, but these are connections that you can make, because I think I did a question like this recently on 2009 paper. I want to say it was a 2009 Galois or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. Or maybe it was a 2009 Euclid. I don't know. But there was a question, every once in a while there's a question about averages of consecutive integers, and it's just a nice little trick that if you've got an odd number, that the average that you get is the middle. So I could say, well, we've got 9, and if I've got 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I know the middle one, I just count down, 7 is going to be our answer, and so we can get D pretty quickly if we know this. Now, it's not too hard to go the other way around and say something like, well, let's let S be the smallest number. So our smallest. So then what are the numbers? S, S plus 1, S plus 2, S plus 3, and S plus 4. And I know the average, that's 9. So that's going to be, well, how do we average things? We add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. And we're told there's 5 numbers. We could even count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so we'll have 5s, and then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. So we'll get 5s plus 10 over 5. That's s plus 2. 9 is s plus 2, and then that tells me s is going to be 7. And I think I just said a moment ago that that was answer D. And there it is. So, we can do it either way, but do notice that 9 is the middle of these numbers. 7 is the smallest. And if you just realize 9 is the middle, you could count down. If you wanted the largest, you could count up from 9. Okay? That's a nice little trick. Okay? So, up next will be question number 8 on our Cayley paper. I will see you guys shortly.